Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Slack workflows to capture leads in CRM step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Slack account. Next, navigate to the Slack workspace where you want to update workflows. Locate the Workflow Builder option from the menu. Click on Workflow Builder to open the tool. In the Workflow Builder, find the workflow you want to update. Select the workflow to view its details. Click on the Edit button to make changes. Identify the triggers set for lead capture. If needed, add a new trigger by selecting the Add Trigger option. Choose the appropriate trigger type, such as new message or scheduled date. Once you select the trigger, configure its settings. Next, focus on the steps that follow the trigger. Click on the existing steps to modify them or select Add Step to create a new one. For lead capture, you might want to add a form step. Choose Add a Form from the list of options. Design the form by adding necessary fields like name, email, and company. Make sure to enable the option to send data to your CRM. Locate the integration section to connect Slack with your CRM. Choose the appropriate CRM from the integration options available. Authorize Slack to access your CRM account by following the prompts. Map the fields from your Slack form to corresponding fields in your CRM. Once the fields are mapped, review your workflow for any final adjustments. Test the workflow by running a simulation to ensure everything functions correctly. After testing, save all changes to your updated workflow. Finally, inform your team about the new lead capture process in Slack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.